In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how you can use Siri to flip a coin so that when you need to make a decision, instead of taking an actual physical coin from your pocket and physically flipping it, you can just ask Siri, "Hey Siri, flip a coin."
It's tails.
"Hey Siri, flip a coin."
It's heads this time.
"Hey Siri, flip a coin."
Tails.
And that's basically how you can use Siri to flip a coin using your iPhone. Now, alternatively, if you don't want to say "Hey Siri," you can just long press the side key, flip a coin, and it's gonna give you the answers. So that's basically how you can use Siri to flip a coin. Thanks for watching and good luck.